In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join meeting in Calendly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your meetings, how to filter them, and how to join right from your Calendly dashboard without scrambling for links. Start by opening Calendly and signing into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click Meetings. Think of this as your command center for everything you've scheduled, whether it's happening later today or already wrapped up. Most of the time, you'll land on the upcoming view automatically. If you don't, click upcoming so you're focused on meetings that are scheduled in the future. Each entry shows the date, time, and key details at a glance, making it easy to see what's next. At the top, check your time zone indicator to confirm it matches your local settings. This helps prevent showing up early or late due to a mismatch. If you need to look back at something that already happened, switch to past. This section is great for reviewing notes, attendees, or any details you might need for follow-ups. When you want to narrow the list in either view, use the date range filter. Select a custom window like this week, this month, or specific dates to quickly zero in on the time frame you care about. Filters are especially helpful if you manage a lot of meetings or coordinate with a team. When you're ready to join a meeting that's coming up, head back to Upcoming. From the list, click the specific event you plan to attend. This opens a focused view with quick actions. Next, click Details. Here you'll find the full agenda, the meeting location or conferencing service, who's attending, and any notes from the host. This is the perfect spot to double check the start time, confirm the platform you'll be using, and make sure you're prepared. As your start time approaches, a Join Now button will appear within Calendly. Click Join Now. If you don't see it yet, the meeting may not be within its join window, so refresh the page closer to the scheduled time. Calendly will open your conferencing provider in a new tab. On that page, confirm your microphone and camera settings, allow permissions if prompted, and then click Join Now again to enter the meeting room. Different providers might use slightly different labels, but the process is the same. Review your settings, then join. That's it. Open Calendly, go to Meetings, choose Upcoming, pick your event, review details, click Join Now in Calendly, and then Join Now again on the conferencing page. Join a couple of minutes early to test audio and video, and you'll be set for a smooth start.